Hey, what up guys? I'm out here again camping at the Scamp, and I got a little surprise for you, so check this out. Welcome to the internet. So we got Starlink to take care of all our internet needs. Should be able to work anywhere. So in this video I'm just gonna unbox it and see how it works. So you got the router, the main satellite thing, cords. It even comes with a handy instruction sheet. That's all you get for instructions, so they make it pretty simple. So I know we want a pretty open space, so I think I'm going to put it somewhere kind of by the solar panels. You pretty much just want to find a good spot for it where there's not too much tree coverage. I think this is about as good as it's going to get, right about here. Then we'll just run this into the camper. Okay, so we got this. So we just need to plug the cord into here. And our power cord. Alright. So I'm just going to set that back there for now. Okay, so I have it plugged in, but I don't have the Jackery power on yet. So the instructions were pretty simple. Power it on, open the app, go from there. So there's power. If there's any lights on that. Wonder if maybe I don't have the back connected all the way. Oh, look at that! It's doing things. Yep, apparently my Starlink's name is Stinky. Setup complete. Do a quick speed test. Okay, this is kind of a neat feature. I can see how well my signal is depending on where I am. Okay, so we're getting further away from the router, so it's getting worse. That makes sense. That's pretty neat. And coming back into range. Alright, let's try a speed test pretty much right next to the router. Oh yeah, that's faster. Neat. Oh yeah, and then another thing I just noticed is it's only pulling with the Starlink hooked up about, just jumping around from like 60 to 80 watts. And that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So power usage is not even that bad. So yeah, should work out pretty well. So I had a comment on the last video, like I showed you the solar shower, but someone was wondering how does it work, or how well does it work even. So I'll show you. Okay. This is gravity just kind of feeding it, and then I have this off switch. No, there's nothing. This handy dandy air compressor. Set the PSI. Let the air run through. Yeah, that's enough for a shower, huh? Make it rain. Pretty much that. That's how that works. Ta-da! Well, what better way to test out internet than some Oculus? Huh? What? Hello? Okay, so long story short, yes, it works fantastic. And I realize it's not very fun for you to sit and watch me play Oculus. You can't see anything, so yeah, that'll work pretty well. Alright guys, I'm in the scam for the night. It's raining outside, but I'm gonna hit the hay soon. Just gonna catch up on some TV. So, see you in the morning. Today on the menu, ramen. While that's cooking, I'll show you my work setup. That's pretty much it. So I got my laptop, mouse, extra monitor, and then if I want, I have a third monitor. Most of the time I don't really need the third one, it's just easier to keep it out of the way for space. But yeah. Soak for a minute. Look at that. Hey, it's about noon. I've been working and I've got the solar out, the Starlink's up. I'm actually pulling in about as much watts from the solar as I'm pulling out. So I've been sitting around about 62% for a few hours now. So yeah, it's pretty much just sustaining my power needs. So yeah, it's working out pretty well. Yeah, I just ordered DoorDash. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out, so see you next time.